Monthly Param Nivedan for 2025 December to be successful with the power and grace of Paramji alias His Holiness. Paprava 128. Paramam Sharanam Gacchami, Hansam Sharanam Gacchami, Advaitam Sharanam Gacchami, Anandam Sharanam Gacchami, Charanam Sharanam Gacchami. हे परम जी, मुझ पर कृपा करो. सिर झुकाकर परम जी का नमस्कार करती हूँ. Paprava 9. Param ji, please empower this monthly Param Nivedan with your divine power so that December becomes beneficial for me and Pithruvai. Bestow me with more success in my business, profession, agriculture, animal husbandry, job and work this month. I wish to make my country prosperous. Bless me so that my income increases and expenses decrease. I will use the money in the righteous way and also to spread Prithvi, make me free of all my debts. Even when I become wealthier, progress in business, I am and will remain humble before Paramji and Dr. Ajit and will also spare some time for Prithvi. Chartered accountant, etc. remain in my favor. I will attend income enhancement Prithvi class on Thursdays. May my development in material aspects of life become faster. I achieve all my goals and my hampered work gets through quickly. May all the wishes I ask in Papra and the Papra I make others to do during this month gets fulfilled. Bestow me with the fame and recognition. I wish to become an excellent Prithvi Pacharak and will find the devotees of Paramji. I will offer Good Luck Papra card or Prithvi calendar daily to one new person after taking training. I will report to Dr. Ajit about my Prithvi Prachar work on every Wednesday and the last Wednesday of the month. I will tell farmers that with the help of Prithvi Shakti, there will be good harvest. Quality and production of milk in Kessel would increase, product will increase. Give me courage to spread Prithvi in unknown people. Give me strength and valor so that I can protect Prithvi and keep the thieves and scoundrels away from Prithvi classes. I am honest, obedient, brave, Prithvi Karta and will strive to make others as well. May my body and mind remain healthy in this month, season of December, increase my immunity power. May I don't have cough, cold, sore throat, allergy, asthma, flu, skin disease and other illness. If I become sick, may I be cured with proper water. I will attend disease prevention Prithvi class on last Sundays of the month. Make my mind and intellect present for me and Prithvi. I will do Param Yoga daily, 3 times routine Param Yoga or 3 or more times special Param Yoga. Give me good intellect. May I make quick and correct decisions and get more success. Please help me to remove the weaknesses of my mind. May I get divine experience in Param Dhyan, the divine meditation. May I be granted with more power, energy and enthusiasm. May I accomplish more efficiency in all the work than I do. May I do Prithvi public work for the betterment of the society. I will attend Prithvi International Club meeting, Paramji Vachan Disclose and Paramji Dhyan class on Friday. I will tell people there will be healing power session during Friday's class in which you will get relief from any sickness. Give intelligence and strength to do logical prachar of Prithvi in December. I will attend daily and weekly online Prithvi class on Prithvi THF channels as well as other branch channels. Prithvi has more than 15 YouTube branch channels out there globally. I will offer Good Luck Papra card to people in trouble across the country and the world. Will teach Papra Param Yoga, upload their names, mobile number, area, etc. in the Google form for of Prithvi peace. I will become Prithvi Prerak Guru. I will keep telling the 3 Mahasutras, the great slogans of Prithvi. First, the truth. Prithvi Shakti fulfills desire. There is no place in the world where Prithvi doesn't work. Second, eligibility. Honesty, obedience and bravery. Keep smiling and make others smile. Keep attending Prithvi class and keep coming to Magam. Third, Jai Ghosh. Bina prachar, nahi udhar. Without propagation, no salvation. May my family members be more blissful, peaceful and caring towards each other. May I do not get angry unnecessarily. May my children flourish and progress. May they get good guidance and good company. Increase their memories for studies. Give me good intellect so that I impact good values, teach the truth and give 16 Prithvi sanskars to my children. I will make my children recite clever student Param Nivedan and will encourage them to take Param Vidya Mantra Diksha. To increase prosperity in our family, I will take Param Lakshmi Mantra Diksha. I will read Prithvi Garbha Gita. Bring peace among my ancestors, remove all Pitradosh, Vastudosh and other related problems. Protect me and my family for hurdles such as all kinds of negative energies, adverse planetary effects, harmful accomplishment, financial crisis, accidents, fire, earthquake, storm, food, and other natural calamities, negative thoughts, etc. May I do not face any critical situation. If I face any, may I be able to overcome with Prithivai power. More Prithivai power seeker, hardcore Prithivai Karta will continue to do the holy pilgrimage of Umagam during the Adesh of Paramji. With the holy pilgrimage of Umagam, Pitridosh is removed, ancestors will get peace. Paramji has empowered Umagam as holy pilgrimage, PDME place, Kumbh place. By doing this yatra, one gets amazing peace of mind, fulfillment of desires, and gets the benefits of Prithivai Kumbh Shakti. If you do the Umagam PDME pilgrimage after doing any other pilgrimage, that pilgrimage will be more successful. Umagam PDME Yatra Prithivai class 2025 December 14, Sunday 9:30 a.m. After class, there will be healing power session. Invite one patient to attend his session. He will get relief from pain. I will do online RSVP. Google Prithivai THF RSVP for coming to Umagam PDME Prithivai Center and will inform on mobile number +91 8849 969 887. Online RSVP helpline number is +91 7990 449 894. I will lovingly celebrate all Prithivai festival classes mentioned in the Prithivai calendar. Gita Jayanti Prithivai class December 1 to December 18th. Dutt Janmotsav December 4. Jahangirpura Prithivai Branch Center Stapna Day and Student Prithivai class December 7th. Monthly Shivratri December 18th. Amavas December 19th. Swagat Makar Sankranti Prithivai Mahotsav December 31. I offer my destiny of December at the holy feet of Paramji alias His Holiness. Paramji, please make my destiny better. For this, I will share this monthly Param Nivedan in one or more person. In this month, I will do good work, will serve Prithivai Kartas, have respect for them, and will have pleasant behaviors towards all. I will keep the Prithivai centers clean. I will obey the Adesh of Paramji alias His Holiness. Make me more happy, prosperous, peaceful, healthy, disease-free, blissful, powerful, humble, and brave than I am at present. May I have better month in December with Prithivai power. If any serious problem occurs, I will contact Dr. Ajit on mobile +91 9898 772036 and will follow the advices of Dr. Ajit. I will join Dr. Ajit Telegram group, Dr. Ajit, and your question to ask my questions to Dr. Ajit. Paprawachan. As soon as my desire is fulfilled, as Pakar, I will give money in whichever currency you earn, decide the amount on your own, to Paramji alias His Holiness, or will offer 1 liter water and 1 flower to Paramji alias His Holiness. Paprawai 11. As soon as my desire is fulfilled, as Pakar, I will offer Prithivai Good Luck Papra card to one new person. I will attend one online Prithivai class. I will visit Prithivai website, prithivaithf.com. I will share my miraculous Prithivai experience through WhatsApp. In 1 or 2 minutes, I will order the 3rd edition Family Peace by Prithivai Shakti, Hindi, Prithivai Param Gyan magazines at my home. I will take annual membership of this magazine. I offer this monthly Param Nivedan and its fruit to Paramji alias His Holiness.